Today we are announcing the third seed in our 2023 free seed giveaway. And this one is an herb I bet you have all eaten before that is a delight to have in your garden. We are giving you bouquet dill. Yes, we all know dill. It is most famous, of course, for its essential role in flavoring pickles. But it is a delicate and aromatic herb that's perfect for adding flavor to a wide variety of dishes. It has a sweet and slightly tangy flavor, and it pairs well with fish, chicken, and vegetables. Now, one of the things that I like the most about growing dill is this nice scent that you get when you brush by it in the garden. And, I'm not alone in picking up on that scent. One of the great things about dill is that it's not only easy to grow, but it's also a natural pest repellent. Dill attracts beneficial insects, including lacewings and syrphid flies, both of which prey on aphids. And it has very few problems with pests. In fact, one of the only pests for dill is the larval stage of an insect that is actually beneficial as an adult, not to mention beautiful, the black swallowtail butterfly. This herb can help keep certain pests like aphids, spider mites, and cabbage loopers away from your garden, which can help reduce the need for, pesticides. But I've heard that apparently tomato hornworms are also more likely to come to a garden with dill. And I admit that when I was thinking about it, I think that most of the time I don't have a hornworm problem, but in years where I have had dill close to the tomatoes, I have. It might be a coincidence, or there may be something to it, so consider distancing your dill from your tomatoes. It would make sense that it would attract the hornworms, considering it does also attract that larval stage. Basically, it attracts butterflies. So in addition to being both delicious and pest resistant, bouquet dill also has some potential health benefits. It contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and iron, although admittedly, you're not using a whole lot of dill when you use it, just a little bit for flavoring. But it is healthy, so that's good. And some studies say that it's also anti-inflammatory and even antibacterial, so you might be able to use it for other things. So if you're ready to add a burst of fresh flavor to your cooking and help protect your garden from pests, you can claim your bouquet dill seeds. Just go back to that original video for this free seed giveaway that we're doing right now. It'll talk about what we're doing and how to send a self-addressed stamped envelope to us. And I think March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, is still our deadline. So you can send those envelopes right in. We have one more seed left to announce. So, get those envelopes in the next couple weeks or so. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to growing with you. And now it is time to fertilize your funny bone with Best Garden Giggles. Why did the dill seek out advice? He was in a pickle.